Accounting used to be a chore locked away in a dusty ledger or a single vulnerable desktop computer. That era is over. QuickBooks Online. Today we have QuickBooks Online, a powerful cloud-based accounting platform designed for the modern entrepreneur. It liberates your financial data, making it accessible from anywhere on any device with an internet connection. This isn't just about convenience, it's about empowerment. Whether you are a student learning the fundamentals of business finance or a seasoned professional managing a growing enterprise, QBO provides the tools to take control of your money with clarity and confidence. It's the digital headquarters for your company's financial health, always on and always up to date. The real magic of QuickBooks Online lies in its comprehensive suite of tools, all designed to save you time and reduce headaches. Your journey into QuickBooks Online begins at the dashboard, your mission control for everything financial. This isn't a static screen of boring numbers, it's a dynamic, at-a-glance overview of your business's vital signs. The moment you log in, you are greeted with clear, visual representations of your income, expenses, profit and loss, bank balances. These widgets are not just for show, they are interactive entry points into the details. You can customize this view, arranging the information that matters most to you right at the forefront. With a single click, you can dive from a summary chart directly into the underlying transactions, giving you immediate insight without endless navigation. Getting your company set up is the first crucial step, and QBO makes it remarkably painless. The system guides you through a simple wizard asking for the essentials: your business name, address, industry. By telling QuickBooks your industry, it can suggest a relevant chart of accounts and tailor its reporting to match common practices in your field. You will also specify your fiscal year start date and configure your tax settings. Taking a few moments to customize details like your company logo on invoices will pay dividends later, ensuring every customer interaction is professional and on-brand from day one. The lifeblood of any business flows through its customers and sales. QuickBooks Online is your hub for managing those relationships. Within the Customers and Sales Center, you can build a detailed directory. It's more than a contact list. It's a history of interactions. Create an invoice. Send the invoice. Track status. Sent. Track status. Viewed. Track status. Paid. Accept online payments for faster cash. Sales receipts capture on-the-spot sales instantly. That centralized view shows who owes you money and lets you follow up on overdue payments quickly. Vendors and expenses manages what you owe. Maintain a list of vendors and suppliers. Record bills as they arrive. Schedule payments to manage cash flow. Attach digital receipts. Attach digital invoices. No paper files. Audits and reviews get much easier. Categorize each expense to the correct account in your chart of accounts. That keeps your financial reports accurate. The banking feature is where QBO truly shines. It's an automation engine. Link your business bank. Link your credit card accounts. QBO downloads transactions every day for you to review. Your job: confirm or assign the correct category for each item. Section 4, Powering Up, Advanced Tools for Growth and Control. As your business evolves, your needs become more sophisticated, and QuickBooks Online scales with you. Its built-in payroll service is a prime example, transforming a complex and often dreaded task into a streamlined process. You can add employees, set their pay rates, set schedules, and run payroll with just a few clicks. In many regions, the system automatically calculates and handles payroll taxes and filings, ensuring you stay compliant with government regulations. It also generates professional pay stubs and produces detailed payroll reports, giving you insight into your largest expense category and simplifying year-end reporting. Reporting is where your diligent record-keeping pays off. QBO offers a powerful suite of reporting tools: profit and loss, balance sheet, statement of cash flows. These documents show profitability, net worth, and cash position. Delve into dozens of other reports or create custom ones: sales by customer, expenses by vendor, empowering data-driven decisions. Inventory management is indispensable for product sellers. Add products as inventory items, set initial quantities, define reorder points. QuickBooks automatically adjusts your stock levels in real time. Generate inventory valuation reports, understand asset value, calculate cost of goods sold. QBO extends beyond core accounting with projects. Track profitability per job, assign income and cost to projects. Time tracking. Employees log billable hours, automatically add to customer invoices. Mobile app. Create invoices, snap photos of receipts, check your dashboard from anywhere. Section 5. Conclusion. Your business, simplified and secured. We have explored the landscape of QuickBooks Online, from foundational setup to growth-oriented features. The core benefit is undeniable. It takes the complexity and anxiety out of financial management. By moving your accounting to the cloud, you gain unparalleled access, automation, peace of mind. No more hunting for spreadsheets. No more worrying about data loss. Instead, you get a single source of truth for your business finances, available anytime, anywhere. Designed for business owners, not just accountants. Translates numbers into a clear, actionable language, drives smarter decisions. The true value of QBO emerges from how its features work in concert. Invoicing connects to banking. Banking connects to reporting. Expenses tracked, categorized, reconciled with minimal effort. Payroll, inventory, projects, integrated, not siloed. A single cohesive system. Saves your most valuable resource, time. Automates the mundane, reduces the risk of error. Frees you to focus on serving customers, developing new products, steering your company toward its goals. It transforms accounting into a proactive strategic asset. Security is paramount. Intuit built QBO on trust. Bank-level encryption protects your financial data. Multi-factor authentication secures your account. Automatic backups protect against hardware failure or local disaster. Role-based permissions control who sees what. Your next steps are simple. Experience QBO. Don't just read about it. Free trial. Explore the interface. Test features with your own business scenarios. Walk through company setup, connect a bank account, create a test invoice. See how intuitive the workflow is. Don't let finances be a source of stress or a mystery. Take control. Gain clarity. Unlock new potential for your business. Start your QuickBooks Online trial today. Make your bookkeeping simpler, smarter, more secure.